Hello my viewers. Remember in Belts 1, the last video I did on V-Belts, where I said what we have here is a 4L240 and an A22. You know what the difference is? Just about nothing. That's not completely true. They're made by the same manufacturer. Now why in the world would they make a belt and assign them with different numbers? They are the same size and they do the same thing. The difference is that the A and AX and B and BX series belts are the heavy duty and more energy efficient series. The 4L and 5L series is really for light duty applications. Check out Emerson's main webpage for more information. If you're looking to replace a V-belt, you might as well do the upgrade. So if you have a 4L or 5L series, you may want to go to the A or AX or B or BX series. You should never downgrade. Now let's do the math. The belt that I'm replacing is a 4L 240. To cross-reference this over to the A series belt, I just subtract 2 from 24, and that gives me 22. Now let's do the same with the 5L series belt. The belt that I'm replacing is a 5L 350. To cross-reference this over to a B or BX series belt, I subtract 3 from 35, and that gives me 32. So here we are. See, 5L 350 equals a B 32.